Hello, I'm Kate from E-Style Real Estate Agency, and today I'm in Las Ramblas, one of the most prestigious area of Orihuela Costa. It's located in the southern of Costa Blanca. This area offers you excellent infrastructure and amenities. Within a short drive, you find the commercial centers like La Fuente and Lasagna Boulevard, with a wide range of restaurants, cafes, pubs, healthcare, international schools. One of the best British schools within a short drive. It's called El Limonar. And also famous supermarkets like Mercadona and Aldi. One of the most standout features of this area is location. Within a short drive, you can find the golden beaches of Campoamor, Lasagna and Cabaroy. It's perfect for swimming and water sports. And today I'm going to show you a beautiful villa in this area with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, with a private swimming pool and lots of outside space. Now we're in the front garden with lots of greenery outside. Through the front door, we're entering very spacious living room. Lots of natural lights, beautiful sitting area and dining area. Separate private entrance to the outside area to the swimming pool. Open plan kitchen with all the appliances and a beautiful view outside area. Also on this level we have a guest bathroom and the stairs to the bedrooms. And now we're on the bedroom level, where we've got a utility room and the family bathroom with a unique design. Two of the bedrooms on this level is a boys' bedroom and a girls' bedroom. Very good size master bedroom with air conditioning, lots of natural lights, in-suite bathroom with a shower and a private terrace. And here you find a typical for Las Ramblas unique design washing basin. From the living room, we are entering this beautiful private south-facing terrace with enough space to put outside furniture. And look at the view outside, so much greenery stuff. And now I'm going to show you a unique feature of this house. And here we are on the top floor of the house with a self-contained bedroom and in-suite bathroom with lots of natural light and a sea view. And now let me show you outside area with a large private swimming pool. Lots of palm trees and the mandarin tree. Next to the swimming pool, you'll find beautiful gazebo with a dining area. And a private entrance to the communal area. Today we're showing you beautiful detached villa in the most prestigious area of Orihuela Costa, Las Ramblas. It's a 4-bedroom villa with 4 bathrooms and a private swimming pool. It's available now for 495,000 euros. Please follow our channel, don't forget to put like, and see you later.